Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel for some more kitchen fun. We're in the kitchen again, trying to do something a little different for you guys today. Each week videos are all themed. This week was all about peas and beans. Did a curried lentil peas. We did pilau using green pigeon peas. Today I thought about doing a little something healthy. So in today's video we're going to be making a healthy kidney bean salad. So this recipe is a real simple one. Nothing too hard, nothing to explain or go through. All you're really doing is just combining a set of different ingredients, and that is basically it. So enough talking, let's just jump into it. So these are what we need for our kidney beans or red bean salad. I've got my 10 red beans here. You can use the dry ones, but be mindful that you will have to soak them and cook them before. I'm going to be using some chana or chickpeas, olive oil, some salt, green seasoning, some chopped up thyme, cucumber, red onion, and you can use lime juice or lemon juice ideally, but I have none, so we're just improvising, and we're going to be using a Portugal or Portugal as we call it here in Trinidad. So all you're just going to be doing is just really cutting your cucumbers and your red onions. And you can cut them any size that you like. I'm going a little chunky with mine. Then all you're really going to be doing is just adding all the ingredients together. Let's just switch bowls because this is too small. Of course we're going to be using salt to taste. I missed out the black pepper, so we're going to be using some black pepper as well. In goes the olive oil. Don't forget our green seasoning and our juice from our citrus. And then all you're going to really be doing is just mixing this up. So this is our finished kidney beans or red beans salad, guys. Now to go along with this, you can have just about anything. We are going to be having some fish with this today. So this is the fish that I'm going to be having with the kidney bean salad. And all I'm going to be doing is just season it with some green seasoning, some all-purpose, and some paprika just to give it some color. And all we're going to be doing is just pan-searing this. So I've got my pan up, and I'm going to put the skin down because there's skin on it. I'm going to keep it on the pot until it gets nice and crispy. And easy like that, that's about it for our fish. So this here, guys, will be the finished product, the meal that we'll be having. Fish with our kidney bean salad. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Tell you, it's super short, quick, easy, not hard to put together. Anybody could do it, and it's a good way to eat or include your peas and your beans in a healthy way. Of course, had to make that for the husband.
Trying to encourage her to cook more healthy stuff.
Well, I mean,
because she loves to use her coconut milk.
No man, that's not true.
Everything no.
No. Curry wise, yeah, I like curry. I like coconut milk and curry.
I really like curry.
But you see, what's happened, right? When I open a tin, remember, like when I cook, I cooking for me basically and him. So like I kind of really cook two different meals most times, to be honest with you. I don't have to, but I don't like to eat the food he likes to eat. You like to eat the food I like to eat.
I like to eat some of the food she likes to.
But he has to try to maintain a sort of healthy diet going forward. So so when I open a tin of coconut milk, it can't waste, so I do use it.
Alright,
so
I'll
destroy it.
That's why I'm taking over the channel next week, guys.
Well, yeah, next week's video lineup. Well, first of all, this kidney bean salad, try it out.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
And I use green seasoning, but you could chop up your fresh parsley, chop up your fresh herbs, whatever you have. But you know, with us, we usually always have green seasoning, and it was, tell them.
It was great. And I think for a vegetarian, that's like a real good dish to meal because it has the protein from the beans and the chana.
Oh yeah, the fish. Yeah, it should be. The fish too. So it was just a quick pan-seared sort of fish, nothing too hard with that too. And he caught it.
Carrot.
But you could use chicken. I have air fried chicken that you could go use with that too if you don't want to do it vegetarian. So I'll post some links down below of meat so you guys could check that out to try it with this kidney bean salad. But next week we have this guy who's going to show us some of his stuff in the kitchen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this kidney bean video, salad video. Of course, if you have any questions, comment down below, let me know. Try it out for sure, send me photos. And that would be it for this quick and short video and this week's video lineup on peas and beans.
Yeah, anyway, try the curry lentils. Very interesting.
It was good, right?
It tastes real good, but
it was good. It had
coconut milk in it, but it tastes real good.
It was good. He actually did not even eat the beef pilau. I ate that all by myself. He ate none. You didn't even taste it. Oh my goodness, he really didn't. Yeah, but he can't eat the beef and more coconut milk and that too, and whatever the case is. So yeah. So thanks so much for watching. As always, guys, stay tuned for more videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Adios.
Peace out.